Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sell on Temu with this easy step-by-step tutorial. So guys, in order for you to get started with selling on Temu, you can click on my link down below in the description or comment section to access the platform and get a $100 coupon bundle for your store setup. And guys, you can also get a 30% discount if you use my promo code down below. So make sure to click the link to go to the Temu. And now guys, once you are on the Temu, just make sure you are signed in into your account. Now if you want to sell on Temu, just simply scroll down to the very bottom and you should be able to see here guys, partner with Temu. So click on that. And from here guys, first thing that you will do is of course read the code of conduct. So this will be their outline standard or their rules and regulation and the law in order for you to be accepted to be a seller. So click on a code of conduct over here, and as you can see, make sure to read this description. And now if we go back, we are also gonna see here some of the list of prohibited products, and you can just click over here. And now this is the list of the products that are prohibited on selling in Temu. So now guys, just simply email them over here on what do you want to sell, why do you want to sell, and what is your business address, your logistic info, and your merchant info. So guys, just simply provide the necessary information, and after providing all your details, you need to submit it, and then the Temu team will look at the details and they will verify your application, and after that you will be registered as a seller on Temu. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya.